thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks and praises so high. He will not deceive us, my brethren. He will only lead us again. Oh, take that beam from off of your eyes. Look into the future of real life. Noah had 3 sons, Ham, Shem, and Japheth. And then Ham is known to be the prophet. Glory to Jah, the prophet is come through all these ages. Glory to Jah, the prophet has come through all these stages. When my soul was hurting deep within, and I'm worrying to be free,